All right, students, the fourth question on the probability is in front of us. It says each coefficient in the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The coefficients are nothing but a, b and c is determined by throwing an ordinary six-faced die. Find the probability that the equation will have real roots. First of all, you try to understand what is the question related to the throwing of die and the relation between this a, b and c. It means if you have to find the value of this small a, then you have to throw a die so that either 1 comes, either 2 comes, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Same way, if we are throwing a die for finding the value of this b, then again we will get the 6 outcomes, and similarly for the third, that is c, the 6 outcomes will be obtained. So total number of outcomes, as it was shown over here, total number of outcomes is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 216. I hope you can understand. Now we have to find the probability that the equation will have real roots. And you have already learnt in the chapter quadratic equations that the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 will have the real roots if the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. That means the discriminant, this one, that is capital D, is greater than or equal to 0. Now you have to choose such values of b out of 1 to 6 so that it should be greater than or equal to 4ac. In order to explain, I have taken one example. We have to get only such values of b so that b square is either equal to 4ac or it is greater than 4ac. For example, if we are taking b is equal to 2, then b square is equal to 4 and this 4 should be equal to 4ac, and for that a should be either 1 and c is equal to 1. In order to elaborate this particular thing, I have jotted down and drawn a table over here. You can see, let me just make it more clear. Okay, what is happening here is I have taken the product AC as 1. Alright, suppose the product AC is taken as 1, then the possible values of A and C could be either 1 and 1, 1, 1, which may be reversed. In both the cases we will get the same value, that is product will be 1, and that could be equal to 4ac, means in AC if you are putting as 1, then 4ac will give you 4. This is the product 4ac. So we have to choose the value of b in such a way that the b square is either greater than or equal to 4ac. So b square, that is equal to 4, could be obtained only when we are taking b is equal to 2, so that 4ac and b square are equal to each other. Or in order to take b square greater than 4ac, that means b square greater than 4ac, 4ac is 4, so we have to take b either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, so that 3 square is nothing but 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. All these square quantities of b are greater than 4, so we can choose the 5 outcomes, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you can understand. Now if we consider the product AC as 2, then the possible values of A and C could be either 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 1. Why? Because the product of this 1 and 2 into 1, in both the cases it is 2. So when we are getting the product AC as 2, then 4AC will be equal to 8 when we are taking A as 1 and C as 2. Also we can get 8 if A is taken as 2 and C is taken as 1. Alright. So when we are getting 4AC as 8 in both the cases, then we have to take such values of B so that B square, that is, suppose if we are taking B as 3, then B square means 3 square is 9. 9 is greater than 8. Similarly, if we are taking B as 4, then 4 square, that is 16, is greater than 8. 5 square is 25, greater than 8. 6 square is 36, greater than 8. So the values of B could be taken 4 times for this one, also 4 times for this one. So total number of outcomes in this case, that is total number of favorable outcome in this case, could be 8. 4 in this case, 4 in this case, total is 8 over here. Now coming to the product AC as 3, then the value of A could be 1 and C could be 3, or value of A is 3 and value of C is 1, and product this 3 into 1, that is 3 multiplied by 4. 4AC we have to get is equal to 12. I hope you can understand. In this case also it is 12. So when 4AC is 12, then we have to choose the value of B in such a way that B square, that is, suppose if you take 4 as B, then B square means 16 is greater than 12. If we take B as 5, then 5 square, that is 25, is greater than 12. 6 square is 36, greater than 12. Same thing will happen for this one. Alright. So there are two possible ways in which 4, 5, 6 and 4, 5, 6 total outcome, favorable outcome is 6 over here. Alright. I hope you people are getting up till this. Similarly, if we are taking AC as 4, then the possible values of A and C could be 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 2. And in each case 4 into 4AC could be 16, 16, 16. And we have to choose the value of B in such a way that B square, that is 4 square, is either equal to the 16, or B square means 25 is greater than 16, or 6 square, that is 36, is greater than 16. So there are total number of 3 in this case, 3 in this case, 3 in this case. So total number of outcome could be, favorable outcome could be 9. I hope you can understand. Now coming to the product AC as 5, then the possible values of A could be 1 and C could be 5, or A is equal to 5 and C is equal to 1, and 4AC could be equal to 20, 20 in both the cases. So we have to choose that value of B either 5 or 6, that is, for 5 square is 25 greater than this 20, 6 square 36 greater than 20. So there will be two such cases, one over here and two over here and 2 over here. So total number of outcome over here is 4. Same thing happens with this 6, means AC is equal to 6. Then the possible values of A and C could be 1, 6. A could be 6 or 1, or 2, 3, or 2, 3, 2. Alright. So product AC and 4 could be 24, 24, 24, 24 in this case. So for this particular case, the value of B could be 5 or 6. I think you can understand. 5 square, that is 25, is greater than 24. 6 square 36 is greater than 24, and there will be 4 such cases. So total unfavorable outcome in this case is 8. Now 7 cannot be obtained, means A into C cannot be equal to 7, because for no case A or C could be multiplied give you this value 7. So I have written not possible. Next we are taking 8, means product AC is equal to 8, then it is 2, 4 or 4, 2, and 4 AC could be 32, 32 in both the cases. So for this particular case only one value of B is possible, 6. For this case also one value of B is possible, that is 6. So total favorable outcome is 2 in this case. Now if AC is equal to 9, there is only one case, that is 3 comma 3. 3 into 3, A is 3, C is 3. So it will be what? 3 3 is 9, and 9 multiplied by 34 is equal to 36. So only one such case is there, that is 6 square will be equal to 36. So one outcome. So what we have done is now total favorable, in order to get the total favorable outcome, we have added all these cases, means 5 from here, 8 from here, 6 from here, 9 from here, 4 from here, 8 from here, 2 from here, and 1 from here. All these are added, which gives you 43. That is the total number of favorable outcome, 43, and total number of outcome is 216. So probability that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots will be 43 by 216. That is the answer. I hope you can understand. Thank you.